For a small municipality, their cash register is their water meters. There's oftentimes a misconception that you don't have to run a city like a business. Basically, cities are large nonprofits with a whole lot of infrastructure. And the reality is with any business, with any nonprofit, your responsibility is to keep your infrastructure current. City council members have come in and they're bragging about the fact that they may have been on the council for a decade, and over that period they've been able to prevent any rate increases. It's just not facing reality. If you're not actively putting aside money to replace it incrementally, basically there's going to be one city council or one administration where the bill comes due. At that point in time, you're looking at rate increases that may be double because you've got a big project you have to do, large scale. The biggest problem we have is everything is so expensive and it's been going up so much. And unfortunately, the rates have to keep up to speed. The best thing to do is to do incremental 3, 4, 5% raises in the rates every year, every other year, to try and keep pace with all the other costs that are going up. If you're not keeping your rate structures up to speed, essentially the element that doesn't get funded is the deferred maintenance. Basically the mentality of, well, we can get by for another year. You do that year after year, decade after decade. The end result is, on the sewer side of things, you'll have so much groundwater intruding in your sewer system. Now you have a capacity problem at your treatment plant. I think that's where HECO Engineers is different. We like to help our municipalities avoid major projects. If we can do incremental work, it's better for the health of the community. So without having a really good facility plan, master plan, you have no idea what it really takes to fund your system. So it is your guiding document. If you know through your planning documents where your problems are, that becomes the guiding principle for impact fees or latecomers agreements or those kind of things to help development pay for their own way. Within HECO Engineers, our management philosophy is very simple. I'm going to treat you the way I would want to be treated. My preference is, can we just come in and be your city engineer? And we could get you the foundational documents you need to run your system. Let us learn your system and let us build trust on the small things.